So friends, Redmi 9 Power India launch officially teased expected launch date, specification and price. We will discuss in this video, so please stay with us to know more information about Redmi 9 Power. So the Redmi 9 Power India launch has been officially teased by the company. The smartphone was spotted on the BIS certification site and the Google Play console listing a while back, which suggested its imminent launch in India a few days ago. The Redmi 9 Power India launch date was tipped to be December 15th of 2020. Now Redmi India has started teasing the phone arrival by releasing a teaser video of the power packed device and setting up a dedicated microsite for the phone of mi.com. The company is yet to confirm the Redmi 9 Power launch date in India, but the teaser seems to suggest it, of course, for a December 15th launch. On the mi.com website, the Redmi 9 Power India launch teaser has the words "coming soon" and the "notify me" option. The teaser also confirmed the smartphone will come with a 48 megapixel quad camera and a large battery. The phone may also comes with a fast charging support according to the teaser images. Based on what we have heard so far, so Redmi 9 Power could be a rebranded Redmi Note 9 4G that was launched in China. If it is true, so this could mean the Redmi 9 Power will comes with a specification such as a 6.53-inch Full HD plus LCD display, Snapdragon 662 chipset and 4 gigs of RAM and 128 GB internal storage. But the Redmi Note 9 4G features a 48 megapixel triple camera system. While the teaser suggested the Redmi Note 9 Power will come with a 48 megapixel quad camera, the Redmi Note 9 4G also pack a large 6000 mAh battery and support with a 18 watt fast charging support. So it is unclear whether the Redmi Note 9 Power is a rebranded Redmi Note 9 4G, and we will have to wait for more specs to be teased before we can know for sure. So as for the price, the Redmi Note 9 4G was launched in China at approximately 11,500 around, and the Redmi 9 Power could be priced similarly in India if the two devices are essentially the same. So that's all for the day, friends. If you find this video relatively useful for you, so please hit the like button and motivate us. Thank you very much.